We have an email query now by from Naveen Nath. Naveen booked an apartment in Aster Court Premier in Sector-85 Gurgaon. They're being developed by Orris Infrastructure Pvt Limited. Now, Naveen was told that the project would be completed in 36 months. 60 months have passed by, but the project is nowhere near completion. He's made a payment of 95% of the total amount, Nirav. As there is no hope of getting possession in the near future, he obviously has a liquidity crunch. He's written to the Orris Management for cancellation of the apartment and refund of the money with penal interest. He's been following up with them for more than 3 months, but the company is not replying to him. There's no concrete reply. He's invested all his money in this apartment with the hope that it will be completed in time. What can he do? I mean, you're just getting cases after cases of delays. And in most cases, people have paid over 95% of the money. What can they do now?
I mean, first of all, it's quite strange as to why would you pay 95% when the building is not nearing completion, because general payment schedules are also mentioned in the, especially in the MOFA agreement and the form that has been provided as to at what slab how much payment is to be made. Therefore, you have substantial amount of protection. So if only a particular level of work has been done, you only invested up to that level and you're not really at much risk. However, be that as it may, since 95% has been recovered, has been paid, if the flat is not anywhere close to being completed, then his only option is to approach the court and seek refund of the money. And that's the only remedy that he will have to exercise. Apart from the criminal, if he wants to.
Nirav, I'm assuming that a lot of these people would be buying flats they would be taking home loans and then buying these flats. And obviously, a bank links the payment to the bank asks you to make a certain payment. You have to show the demand letter from the developer, and then the payment is released, right?
Right.
So in that, how do buyers get stuck with something like this then?
Yeah, so it's quite strange because the payment, what happens is that whenever you take in financial assistance, all that happens is that whenever the payment becomes due, that payment is made by the financial institution for and on your behalf. And therefore, they are also governed by the terms of the agreement. And as and when the demand is made, the payment is made. Therefore, it would be strange because this agreement would then be in such a manner that the entire payment is made before even you would see the building nearing completion.
So in such cases, can you also make the bank, if you file a case against the developer, can you also make the bank a party to it?
Yes, you can make a bank a party to it, but what relief can you have against the bank? Because the bank is only giving you financial assistance towards the project. I mean, the bank is not obliged to have it specifically enforced against the builder to ensure that the flat is constructed and delivered to you.
Right.
All that the bank would be interested in is that the money is being repaid in EMIs or as and when they are scheduled.
Right, Nirav. So two important things that we have learned today is that one, if you've paid 20%, up to 20% of the amount of the project, ensure that you get an agreement, you sign the agreement and you register the agreement, because that is the only thing that will really stand you instead in case you have to go to the court and seek legal recourse.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.